Hello, hello. Hey, very good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Do let me know. Am I audible and visible to all of you kids? So, we are going to start with this really awesome chapter. I think a little bit is visible to all of you. So, this screen is visible or not, I don't know, but do let me know. Kids, am I audible and visible to all of you? Can you hear me? Can you see me? If yes, if your answer is being yes, do let me know in the chat section that yes, everyone can hear me, you can see me, and this is your NCERT. Kids, definitely this is going to be your NCERT, and if it is not visible, no problem. So let me show you this one, and definitely this is going to be visible. See your alkane, alkene, alkyne. You just try to see and let me know this is visible to all of you or not. I think I'm going to deal with the IUPAC from the NCERT, but yes, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. If it is not visible, no problem. I will show you even the better quality of slide. Now definitely kids, this is really awesome slide and this is visible to all of you. First of all, screen is not clear, no problem. I will take one plain slide, don't worry about that, but just do let me know, am I audible and visible to all of you? If yes, do let me know with the thumbs up. I want to see some green signal from you people, and this just I would like to say that this is your NCERT. If you can't see this NCERT properly, no problem kids. I just wanted to convey the message that yes, I have taken something from NCERT. Now I'm going to take the plain slide and I will let you know each and everything on the plain slide. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about the slides. No need to think about that because I'm going to take this plain slide and I will let you know each and everything on this plain slide. And today's session is all about alkane, alkene and alkynes. IUPAC. Alkynes, we have to get command on all these three type of things. These are the just basic things and we have to understand the IUPAC of all these three things. So are you ready? Do let me know in the chat section that everyone is ready. Yes, I want to see that kids, everyone is ready. Do let me know. So let's start from alkane, then alkene, then alkyne. How is the Josh? Kids, do let me know how is the Josh. I hope that everyone at this time, some must be thinking, yeah, I can see Sumnath, Tarun Kumar, Barani, Kishan, Krish, that everyone is ready and the Josh. Preeti is writing yes, Josh is high and limitless is very high, really good. Now let's start with your alkane. Alkane, from the very basic I am going to start kids, alkanes. So first of all, let me tell you the bond line notation of alkanes. If I draw one line kids, this line means from where the line is starting, here is one carbon and the line is getting ended, there is one carbon. Carbon valency is 4, so I would like to say rest of others are being hydrogens. So one line means it is ethane. Simply drawing one line, that means ethane. Or even if I am drawing it the curve like this without any bend, this is also ethane. and if I am drawing like this, or if I am drawing something like this, they all are being ethane. I hope this point is very much clear to all of you that all of these are being ethane. Now see kids, if I draw something like this, if I am going to draw something like this, then there is when bent. You can see here is when one bent. That means there is also one carbon, 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 carbon. So how many carbons we are provided with? See, 1, 2, 3. It is having one valency, so 3 hydrogens. This is having valency of 2, so 2 hydrogens, and the valency 3. So we'll say it is propane. It is being your propane. Now if I draw a compound like this, if I write down M, if I am going to draw M, or if I draw W, see, if I draw W, kids, if I draw W, in English, this is M, that is your W, but chemistry says either M or W, we mean same thing, and see 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, and 5 carbon. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both of them are being pentane. Both of these two are being pentane. Kids, can you get it? Do let me know that everyone is able to understand. Now see kids, let me give you one compound like this. This compound is, now kids, what is the IUPAC name of this compound? We used to say this is swastik. Everyone used to say this is swastik. But what is the IUPAC name of this compound? We are going to find out the IUPAC name. This is 1 carbon. This is another 1 carbon. This is 1 carbon. This is 1 carbon. This is 1 carbon. So you are supposed to select the longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what is left as the branch? If I talk about the branch, so this branch is having 2 carbons. Just give me a second. Just give me a second, kids. So kids, this is your parent chain. This is your parent chain, the PC. This is your parent chain, the PC. And PC is of 5 carbons. So what is left? 1 carbon, 2 carbon. This is known as ethyl. Kids. And this side also 1 carbon. Oh, here 1, 2, 3. This is wrong. This is wrong because if we are coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So examiner is going to give you 0 marks. 0 marks for it. So what we are supposed to do? The numbering got wrong, kids. Everyone see to it. Numbering must go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the parent chain here was of 5 carbons. And here the parent chain is coming of 6 carbons, which is lengthy. This one is correct. Everyone, can you see? This is your parent chain. If by chance you are not able to select the correct parent chain, you won't be able to give the correct IUPAC name. Kids, are you able to understand? No. That yes. Now see to it. This is having ethyl as the branch and there is ethyl. So the answer is 3, 3 dash. The first letter is D capital, diethyl and hexane. Somebody has written the correct IUPAC name. What's the name? Somnath. Somnath, yes, your answer is correct. NEET boss, your answer is absolutely correct. Kishan Krish, yes, yes, everyone is getting the correct answer. Now kids, just do let me know what is the IUPAC name of this compound. Kids, try to find out what is the IUPAC name of this compound. Here is your compound. This is your compound. Just try to find out what's the IUPAC name of this compound. Everyone do let me know. So first point is select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me count from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either side you are going to count. These ethyls will come on 5 and 6 only. Either you count from this side or you count from this side. Both mean same, and definitely on 5 and 6. So the answer is 5, 6 dash di. How many times ethyl? 2 times ethyl. Di ethyl. Di ethyl, and the word root is 10. Decane, decane. If this IUPAC is clear to each and everyone, show me the thumbs up. If it is not clear, show me thumbs down. Kids, everyone, you have to participate in the chat section. Kids, do let me know whether your answer is right or your answer is wrong. Fast, be quick, be quick. If your answer is correct, show me thumbs up. If your answer is wrong, show me thumbs down. I want to see how many of you are able to find out the correct answer. Now kids, see to it. This is going to be a really game-changing question. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? What is the IUPAC name of this compound? Kids, do let me know. See to it, everyone. So you can see here is hydrogen and there is methyl. Just try to find out. This is methyl, this is carbon, this is CH2, this is CH2, and this is CH3. Kids, just find it out. And numbering should be done in such a way, that the substituted carbon atom should get lowest possible number. See, this carbon is substituted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I do the numbering from this side, 1, 2. Second is not being substituted. If I do the numbering from this side, you can see very clearly this second carbon is being substituted. So what I am going to write, 2 dash methyl, methyl, kids, methyl, and word root is 5, pentane, pentane. Let me check it out. Is there anyone who got the correct answer? 2-methyl pentane. Sumnath, Dr. Sumnath, fantastic. Vaishnavi, Vedhai, very good. 5,5-dimethyl. No, it is not 5,5-dimethyl. See, it is 2-methyl pentane. So your answer is correct, Sumnath ji. Your answer is correct. Now see, everyone. Now there is going to be a twist in the question. See to it, everyone. CH3, CH, C2H5, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. Now this time, who is going to be the winner? Do let me know, everyone, right now. Badadi, okay. Now, let me check it out. Who is going to be the correct answer? What is the IUPAC name of this compound? Kids, fast. I can see in the chat section that you kids are really doing very well. You kids are really doing very well. So, first, let me know the parent chain is of how many carbons? PC. PC means parent chain is of how many carbons? Everyone, do let me know how many carbons parent chain you are having. I want to see, kids. Everyone, do let me know your parent chain is of how many carbons? Kids, do let me know your parent chain is of how many carbons? Yes, kids. Tell me the parent chain is of how many carbons? 6 carbons. Everyone is writing 6 carbons. So let me check it out whether the parent chain is of 6 carbons or not. Whenever this ethyl is provided, break it down. So this ethyl is supposed to be break it down. Then you will get compound like this: CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3 and CH3. So always simplify it. Convert this compound like this. Now you can see very clearly this is going to be a parent chain. This is going to be a parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, your answer is found to be wrong. Everyone has written that. Yeah, now your answer is coming right. So parent chain is of 7 carbons. 7 carbons, kids. Parent chain is of 7 carbon. Now if I start doing numbering from here 1, 2, at second carbon I have got alkyl. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I do numbering from this side 1, 2, 3 on third carbon, so numbering should be done in such a way that the substituted carbon atom should get lowest possible number. So this numbering is absolutely correct. So this methyl is lying at 5th carbon on 2nd carbon. So we'll write, yes, how to write the IUPAC name, kids. I'm going to write the IUPAC name like this: 2, 5. So how many times? 2 times. Dash, dimethyl, and it is heptane. So let me check it out. How many people have given the correct answer? Dr. Devashish, 2,5-dimethyl heptane. Sneha, oh my God, number of students they have given the correct answer. So your answer is correct. Now see, kids, if the question is like this, see everyone, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2H5, CH2, CH2, CH3. So could you please let me know what is the IUPAC name of this compound? Kids, try to find out what is the IUPAC name of this compound. Let me check it out. That's really fantastic, Balaji. Now, just let me know from which side you are going to do the numbering. From left hand side you are going to do the numbering, or numbering should be done from right hand side. Do let me know from which side you are going to do the numbering, kids. Left hand side or right hand side? Do let me know from which side you will do the numbering. Definitely your parent chain is like this. This is your parent chain. There is no problem in the parent chain. This is going to be your parent chain. This is your parent chain. But from which side you are going to do the numbering? The right hand side, or you will count from the left hand side? Do let me know, kids. Everyone, left hand side. Left hand side. Okay. Why from left hand side? Let me check it out. 1, 2, 3. The substituted carbon is coming on 3, and from that side 1, 2, 3, 4. That is wrong. So this is correct. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Absolutely correct. So which substituent you are going to write first? This is ethyl starting from E. Its name is starting from E, and this is methyl. Its name is starting from M. Kids, the one who comes alphabetical wise first. A, B, C, D, E. E comes first, so we'll write ethyl. So the name is 5-ethyl 3-methyl, and the word root is octane, octane, octane. This is complete one name, kids. This is complete one name. What I can see, some people are writing 4-ethyl. Let me check it out. 4-ethyl, that means they have counted from that side. We have to count from this side. 2-ethyl, some people are writing 2-ethyl. Kids, it's not 2-ethyl. So let me check it out. Is there anyone who has got the correct answer? 5-ethyl, 5-ethyl 3-methyl, 3-methyl octane. So Sneha Singh got the correct answer. Hemant ji got the correct answer. Kavanya got the correct answer. So most of the students, they have got the correct answer, but everyone has not the correct answer. Those who have got the correct answer, let me know by showing thumbs up. If your answer got wrong, show me with the thumbs down, because I am not able to see everyone's answer in the chat section. Kids, do let me know how many of you got the correct answer and how many of you got the wrong answer by showing thumbs up, thumbs down. Now, see to it, everyone. Another question. See, really awesome question, fantastic question. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, C2H5, CH2, CH3. Now the numbering should be done from which side? Left hand side, or you are going to do the numbering from right hand side? Kids, do let me know from which side you are going to do the numbering, because parent chain is very clear. This is your parent chain. Kids, this is your parent chain. No problem over there. But do let me know from which side you are going to do the numbering. I want to see the Josh. Kids, if the Josh is not high, you won't be able to do anything. So I can see, what I can see in the chat section, that everyone till now is writing from the right hand side. What I can see, everyone is writing the numbering should be done from right hand side. Kids, if you are doing the numbering, from right hand side, examiner will give you big 0. If you are doing the numbering from the right hand side, examiner will give you 0. Can't be done from right hand side. Everyone is doing right hand side. Right hand side numbering is wrong. This numbering is wrong. Now let me know why. Kids, this numbering is going to be wrong. Just, is there anyone who can let me know why this numbering is going to be wrong? Kids, who is going to explain this? Now, kids, there is known as one locant rule. Locant rule. You can say locant rule, or you can say lowest sum rule. Lowest sum rule. Now see, when this rule has to be applied, kids, try to understand when this rule has to be applied. Kids, this rule, when you are going to apply, that depends. That really depends. This really depends when the numbering rule gets failed. When the numbering rule gets failed, then you are supposed to apply this rule. Otherwise, you can't apply this rule. Kids, why I'm talking about the numbering rule got failed? See to it. If I do the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, third carbon is being the substituted carbon. If I'm going to do the numbering, let me count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if I am doing the numbering from that side, see to it 1, 2, 3 on third carbon substitution. Over here, if I am going from left hand side, third carbon substitution. If I am counting from right hand side, third carbon substitution. So, what happened over here, kids? From both the side, substituted carbon is coming third. From this side as well as from that side. Now, numbering rule, the initial numbering rule got failed. Once the numbering rule is failed, numbering rule gets failed, then only you can apply locant rule. Do remember, if numbering rule is not getting failed, you can never apply locant rule. Once the numbering rule is getting failed, you have to apply this lowest sum rule. What this lowest sum rule says, if I do the numbering from left hand side, the substitute carbon is 3. Let me draw with the same pen so that you can easily understand. 3 plus 4 and 6. What's the sum is coming from left hand side? 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13. This is coming out 13. And if I do the numbering from right hand side, see kids, 3 plus 5 plus 6, 3 plus 5 plus 6, 6, 5, 11, 3, 14. Which is lowest? This is 13, that is 14, this is being lowest. So this numbering is correct. Let me draw with the same pen. This numbering is right and that numbering is wrong. This numbering is wrong. So everyone, are you able to understand this numbering is right? Because 13 is less. This 13 is being less. This is less and this value is being more. Kids, do let me know this thing is clear to all of you. So the numbering should be done from this side and definitely your name, correct name is, this is ethyl and that is ethyl. So 6-ethyl 3,4 dimethyl. Kids, do remember, and the word root is 8, octane. Now kids, remember that one thing, this is E, that is M. D is just for di, tri, tetra. Di, tri, tetra are not included in the alphabetical order. Kids, 6-ethyl, I can see 6-ethyl 3,4 dimethyl octane. Uday, Manikandan ji, Mragun Thakre, yes, welcome Mragun Thakre, welcome. Sneha Singh, yes. Aruna Kumari ji, yes. Samyukta. So everyone is getting, and di is not included in alphabetical order, not included in alphabetical order. I hope this is clear to each and everyone. Now kids, I am going to give you another one question, that is the really awesome question. See to it. If I write down one compound like CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH, C2H5, CH2, CH3. Now do let me know, you will do the numbering from left hand side or you are going to do the numbering from right hand side. Kids, do let me know which side numbering is correct, because this is going to be a parent chain. There is no problem in the parent chain. This is definitely going to be a parent chain. This is definitely going to be a parent chain. There is no there is no problem in the parent chain, kids. This is your parent chain. But let me know from which side you are going to do the numbering, left hand side or right hand side. Do let me know, kids. If you are able to understand, do let me know in the chat section that which side, right hand side. Yes, see everyone, this numbering is absolutely correct. See, if I do the numbering from this side, see everyone, if I am doing numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is coming at third, this is coming at fifth. And if I doing the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it is coming at 3, it is coming at 5, 3 and 5. So numbering rule failed, locant rule failed, numbering rule failed, locant rule failed. Both of them got failed. You have to apply alphabetical order. What I'm saying, kids? Numbering rule. Once the numbering rule is failed, numbering rule failed, locant rule failed. Now you are supposed to follow alphabetical order, alphabetical order, alphabetical order, kids. So this is being methyl, that is being ethyl. So do remember, follow the sequence, Nalla, N-L-A. Do remember one thing, this trick I am going to give you, N-L-A. You have to follow this trick, otherwise you will get failed. N-L-A, always follow N-L-A. Once the numbering rule is getting failed, locant rule is getting failed, then only apply alphabetical order. Are you able to get it? If the locant rule is not getting failed, and if you are applying alphabetical order, you will get failed. Everyone, clear to all of you? 3-ethyl, you have to do the numbering from that side. Yes, this one is correct. So the correct name is 3-ethyl, 3-ethyl, 5-methyl. The word root is 7-heptane, or you can write septane, heptane or septane. I hope this much is clear to each and everyone. Now I am going to take the very toughest example, or you can say toughest example. Wow. Those who got correct name, do let me know in the chat section by yes showing the thumbs up. If your answer is wrong, just you can show thumbs down. Let me check it out, because number of students are over there. I can't see what's your answer because chat is running very fast. So do let me know in the chat section, and if you are able to get the concept, show me some fire signal also along with thumbs up. Kids, if you are able to understand, show me some fire signal also. I want to see that yes, everyone is able to understand. That's really awesome. That's really awesome. Wow, 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 really good. This is really good. Now I can see, yes, everyone is able to understand. This gives me energy. Kids, your signal gives me energy to teach with enthusiasm. With enthusiasm, very good. Now see, the really awesome example. Fabulous example I am going to deal with. Fabulous example. Kids, see to it. The fabulous, fantastic example. Fantastic example. CH3, CH2, 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 C, CH, CH3, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This is your example, kids. Try to find out what should be the correct answer. What should be the correct answer for it, kids? Try to find out. what is the correct answer? Everyone, try to find out. Everyone, try to find out what do you think, how to do this question. Everyone, see, the longest chain, definitely this is going to be the longest chain, and this is going to be the parent chain. This is your parent chain, this is going to be the longest chain. And kids, in the previous section I have told you the trick for functional group priority order. You can see even that video if you don't know the priority order. Now here no priority order is required, just see to it everyone. From which side should I do the numbering? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is coming on 5th carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the PC is of 12 carbon atoms. Parent chain is having 12 carbon atoms, kids. Now, this is the branch, and this branch is having further sub-branch. See, 1 dash, 2 dash, because this branch got further sub-branch. Are you getting? Everyone, are you able to see? This branch has got sub-branch, 1 dash, 2 dash. And these branch and sub-branch are exactly same. Branch and sub-branch are exactly same. Branch and sub-branch are exactly same. Whenever this happens, kids, do remember one point. When the branch, sub-branch, as well as the carbon is same, because the branch and sub-branch is same, and the carbon is also same because they are on same carbon. They are on same carbon. What I'm saying, branch is same, 1 dash, 2 dash, sub-branch is same, and sub-branch position is same, and the carbon is also same. What I'm saying, kids, branch is same, sub-branch is same, position of sub-branch is same, and the position of carbon is same. Position of carbon means the carbon which is having branch, that is same, and the sub-branch carbon is also same. We have to use word base. What? Base. Because we cannot use 2 times di. Di for 1 dash methyl, 1 dash methyl, and di for this branch. We cannot use. IUPAC does not allow to use 2 times di on the same carbon. We will use word base. Now see how to write down the IUPAC name of this compound. Kids, see to it. This is really awesome compound. I will write 5, 5 dash base bracket 1 dash methyl, 1 dash methyl. This is the name and position of sub-branch, and the branch is ethyl. It is twice, so bracket close. Now the word root 12, dodecane. I hope everyone is able to understand, kids. Is it clear to all of you? This is really awesome question. This is game changing. 5, 5 base 1 dash methyl ethyl and dodecane. Number of students, I think, is there anyone who has got the correct answer? If you got the correct answer, show me thumbs up, and those who haven't got the correct answer, show me thumbs down. Now see, kids, there is one more question of this type, and that is really awesome question. See to it. Let me draw it. C, Cl, 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 C, Cl, Cl and H. This is DDT. Its journal name is DDT. DDT. Dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. That is the journal name. What is the journal name? Dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. This is the journal name. Now kids, what will be its IUPAC name? So see to it, it is having 3 chlorine. So 1, 2. On second position, this is phenyl chlorine. Where? Ortho, meta, para. Ortho, meta, para. Once again, these 2 chlorines are on para. So the sub branch position is same and the branch position is also same. We will use word bis. So we'll write 2, 2 bis parachlorophenyl within the bracket, parachlorophenyl bracket close, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 trichloro and ethane. So what is the IUPAC name of DDT? This is being the IUPAC name of DDT. This is being the IUPAC name of DDT. If everyone is able to understand, do let me know in the chat section. Yes, you got it. Now I'm going to move towards alkene. Now see to it, I'm going to deal with alkene, kids. Alkene. If I talk about alkene, these are known as unsaturated compounds. Another name for them is olefins. Olefins. So I can draw, see, 2 lines like this. I can draw 2 lines like this and try to understand what I am going to tell you, kids. So 3 compounds I have drawn. 3 compounds. Could you please let me know what is the meaning of these 3 compounds? Let me separate them. The third one, let me separate it. Otherwise, you won't be able to understand. Let me draw over here. Just try to understand what's the difference in between these 3. This line is starting from here and both the lines are getting ended. So this is ethene or ethylene. Ethylene is the journal name. Ethene is the IUPAC name. Now see, focus over here. This line has started from here, but this line is starting from this position and both are getting ended at this carbon. That means CH3, CH double bond CH2. This is being propene. Kids, try to understand. This is being propene and this is being ethene. Now if I talk about this compound, kids, see to it. This line has started from here. But this line is starting from here and this line gets end over here and that line is ending at that carbon. So how many carbons? See, CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. So total there are 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write butene, butene. So this is the bond line notation which we should know. Bond line notation, kids. Bond line notation. Is it clear to all of you? And remember that double bonded carbon, carbon-carbon, double bonded carbon have got more priority. So suppose if I am going to give you one question like this, try to find out what should be its answer, kids. CH2, 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 CH double bond CH2, CH double bond CH, CH3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let me write down like this. CH2, CH2, CH3. So try to find out how many carbons in the parent chain. My question is just to find out number of carbons in the parent chain. First question is just to try to find out number of carbons in the parent chain. Then we can see anything else, kids. Everyone, 6 carbons. Samyukta Deepti ji. I think number of kids they are really intelligent. Some are writing 9, some are writing 6. What's the correct answer? So let me give you 2 options. Some are saying 6 and some are saying 9. So what's your correct answer? Because if your parent chain is not the correct, once if you have selected wrong parent chain, if your parent chain is going to be wrong, everything will be wrong. See kids, always remember that. Let me tell you, the rule says, I've told you in the previous class also, select the longest possible chain of continuous carbon atoms, as long as possible, containing maximum number of multiple bonds. So what is necessary thing? These multiple bonds you can't ignore. Multiple bond must be the part of chain. Do remember kids, multiple bonds must be the part of parent chain. You can't leave multiple bonds. You can't ignore multiple bonds. So this is going to be our parent chain, kids. If your parent chain is not correct, you won't be able to get the correct answer. Here is multiple bond and there is multiple bond. You can't ignore multiple bond by including, by considering the multiple bonds. You have to select the longest possible chain. Kids, you can't leave multiple bonds. So this parent chain is of how many carbon atoms? 6 carbon atoms. The correct answer 9 is wrong. And if you are doing the numbering from here, multiple bond is getting number 1, and if you are doing the numbering from there, multiple bond is getting number 2. So this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the prefix of how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your pentyl and this is your propyl. So both are starting from P, but if you see the dictionary, PE, pen will come first and prop will come later. So we'll write the IUPAC name. What should be the correct IUPAC name, kids? So definitely the correct IUPAC name is 3-pentyl. So 1, 2, 3 propyl. So 6. So hexa, comma 1 and 4. 1,4-diene. This is the correct name. How many of you got the correct name? Sir, your setup is not very well. Which setup? Ayush, Thaplayal ji. This everyone, can you see very clearly, kids? Everyone, are you able to understand? Do let me know. Kids, is it fine to each and everyone? Are you able to understand? Each and everything is clear to all of you? Do let me know, kids. Let me understand that you are able to understand or not. Camera setup, okay. Krishna Singh Parihar ji, camera setup. What do you think about the camera setup? Is there any problem with the camera setup? I will check it, okay. No problem. Now see to it, kids. See to it. Now let me tell you about alkyne. Alkyne. IUPAC of alkyne. See. Alkyne, kids, see. Alkyne. So if I'm writing alkyne like this, CH triple bond CH, I will say this is ethyne. If I'm writing it like this, CH triple bond C, CH2, and suppose CH2, C triple bond C, and CH3. So from which side should I do the numbering, kids? So definitely I have to do the numbering from here because this is getting number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will write hepta, hepta. See, hepta 1, 5 diene. Now see the difference. See the difference. If I am having compound like this, I am writing like this. But suppose if I have got compound like this, CH3, CH2, 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 C triple bond C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will write hept, hept, 2-ine. Can you see the difference? Everyone just do let me know, can you see the difference? There is only hept and there is hepta. Hepta, this A is over here. Why? In your chemistry, 6 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U, and Y. 6 vowels. In the English, there are only 5 vowels, but in chemistry, IUPAC, there are being 6 vowels. This is vowel, that is vowel, but this is over here consonant. This D is being consonant. But see, here is Y, and if we are writing A, the 2 vowels cannot be placed together. These 2 vowels cannot lie together, so this A should not be there. So you can simply say, if only one triple bond is there, we have to place hept. If more than one triple bond is there, we will say hepta. Are you getting my point? Only one triple bond, we cannot place A. If more than one triple bond like heptadiene, heptatriene, heptatetraene, so you can place. Now see everyone. Kids, if the question is like this is really the most important question, and this question is really going to be the game-changing question. See to it, everyone. See to it, everyone. So numbering should be done from left-hand side or right-hand side. Do let me know, you are going to do the numbering from left-hand side or right-hand side. First of all, just do let me know from which side you are supposed to do the numbering. Okay, I will see to it. Narmatha ji, don't worry, I will see to it. Narmatha ji, don't worry, Vicha, I will see to it. Everyone, do let me know. Right-hand side, right-hand side, right-hand side. So kids, definitely your answer is absolutely correct, right-hand side, because over here you can see it is coming on second position. If I count from here 1, 2, 3, it is coming at third position. So that is being correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the IUPAC name? 8. Oct, ein. This is ein starting from Y, and this is in starting from E. Oct, 5, in, and 2, ein. Now kids, I have to delete something. Remember that this E should not be there because this is vowel and this is also vowel. In chemistry IUPAC, Y is considered as vowel. Two vowels cannot be there. So we have to delete E. Is it clear? But if I give you one compound like this, see to it. Is this clear to all of you? If I am going to give you compound like this, see everyone. CH3, CH2, C triple bond C, CH2, CH double bond CH, CH2, CH3. Now numbering you will do from right hand side or left hand side. This is left hand side, that is your right hand side. So from which side you will do the numbering? This side. This time your numbering, which numbering is going to be the correct? Kids, do let me know in the chat section which numbering is going to be the correct. Everyone do let me know. Kids, Avengers batch schedule you will get very soon. Don't worry for that. More classes are going to come after this class. Your Capto Shrestha's class is there, Wasim sir's class is there, and definitely in those classes you will come to know what is your schedule for Avengers batch. Don't worry about that, kids. Do let me know from which side. So kids, see, if you do the numbering from left hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is coming at third position. And if you're doing the numbering from right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it is coming at third position. Kids, numbering rule got failed. Locant rule got failed. Now, which rule you are supposed to apply? When numbering rule got failed, locant rule also got failed. Kids, what is left? What is left? Now, you have to apply alphabetical order. So you can see alphabetical wise, this is ein starting from Y, and this is in starting from E. So which comes first, E or Y? Definitely E. Yeah, your answer is correct. Some people are really giving the correct answer. So this is wrong, and from this side this is right. So the IUPAC name must be. So let's see what should be the IUPAC. Non 3 N and 4 ein. So this is all about for today, and I'm going to end the class with 2 IUPAC names. You are supposed to find out the IUPAC name for these 2 compounds, and you have to write down Avenger, HSP, Baba, and then the name. Okay, see to it. I'm going to write 2 IUPAC name. Answer these 2 questions. You are supposed to answer these questions. First question is, see to it. Everyone see to it. This is first compound, and here is second compound. This is second compound. These are the two compounds for your homework. These are the two compounds for your homework. Just like in your school, you used to get homework. Here also you got homework. So find out the answer and write down in the chat section Avenger HSP Baba and then the answer. Right, kids? How much did you like the class? Do let me know in the chat section once the, not in the chat section, in the comment section once the video is over. Kids, how much did you like this session? Yes, that you have to write because your comments, they are really giving energy to all the team members. And definitely if I'm teaching with full enthusiasm, energy, definitely you are going to understand each and everything. So bye to all of you. Right now I'm not going to accept the answer of these questions. I want to see in the comment section. Okay. So bye to all of you. The class was awesome, sir. Thanks for all your efforts. Shamaji, thank you. Thank you. Best ever chemistry, sir. Biz. Thank you. Thank you. Really, your comments, your appreciation means a lot to me. Bye to all of you. We'll meet you very soon in the next lecture of IUPAC of functional groups. Tomorrow, definitely at the same time, tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. I'm going to take your IUPAC of functional groups. Do remember, kids, what's the time? Do let me know in the chat section. What's the tomorrow's time? Do let me know in the chat section. What's the tomorrow's time? Abdul Wahid ji, do let me know. 11 a.m. in the morning. 11 a.m. in the morning. Okay? Just after Ambika ma'am's class. Okay, kids? Bye. Bye to all of you. Bye to all of you.